How to set your own photo widgets on your Android home screen. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily set your favorite photo as your widget in your phone. So let's just jump right in. So I've got a blank page right here on my home screen. So what I'm going to do is press and hold on the screen to bring out this menu, or you could just pinch in your screen to bring this out. And then from here, you'll find the widgets icon right at the bottom. All you have to do is tap on this widgets icon. Then you'll be able to see all of these available widgets. All you need to do is find the gallery widget and then tap on this drop down. From here, you'll be able to add images and stories that is 2 by 2. So just go ahead and select this and then tap on add to home screen. Now once this has been added, you should be able to see all of these widgets and stories from your gallery. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll see you on the next one.